Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix inverted camera on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're facing an issue with an inverted camera on Discord, or the camera is displaying upside down or mirrored, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So firstly, make sure you have an Arian webcam on your PC and on your mobile phone, and connect both devices using the same network. Once done, let's proceed with the following steps. Open Discord and go to User Settings, Voice and Video. Under the Video Settings section, choose your webcam from the drop-down menu, then choose Arian webcam on the drop-down menu. Now, on your mobile phone, click on the flip button on the right side of the screen. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.